In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your marketing email as a template in Hubspot. This is an incredibly handy feature if you often send similar emails and want to maintain consistency while saving time. Let's dive right in and see how you can do this seamlessly in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to head over to HubSpot's homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in HubSpot. Once there, locate the login button, which is generally found on the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and log into your HubSpot account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, you can easily reset it by following the prompts provided. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the HubSpot home screen. From here, navigate to the main navigation bar at the top of the page. Click on Marketing. Selecting this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Here you'll want to click on Email. This action will take you directly to your email dashboard where all your marketing emails are stored. On the email dashboard, you'll see a list of all your existing marketing emails. Take your time to scroll through and choose the specific email that you wish to save as a template. If your list is long, you can use the search bar feature to quickly locate the email by typing in keywords or the email title. Once you've selected the desired email, look for the Actions button. It's usually positioned toward the top right corner of your email's overview page. Hover over this button and it will display a number of different options for you to choose from. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Save Email as Template. Go ahead and click on it. When you click Save Email as Template, a small window will pop up asking you to name your new template. Be sure to give it a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later on. After naming your template, confirm your action by clicking the Save button. Congratulations, you've just saved your email as a template. This template can now be accessed from the template library anytime you need it. It's a great way to ensure all your future emails maintain a consistent format and branding style. And there you have it. You've learned how to transform a marketing email into a template, a simple yet powerful tool within HubSpot, one that saves you from the repetitive task of drafting emails from scratch. Whether you're streamlining your marketing efforts or aiming for uniformity in your campaigns, this feature is bound to prove invaluable. Thanks for following along with today's tutorial, and happy emailing.